Alright guys, so I've been working on this car for the past 5-6 days, doing the whole paint correction. As you can see, I took off the spoiler, took off all my emblems, try to get the best I could. It's already all done, the full paint correction. I just gotta take it outside, probably wash it again, wipe it down after it dries with the alcohol, and get all the residue off. Then I'm gonna seal it, and after I seal it, I'm gonna move on to the valve cover. I already ordered the wrinkle finish. I'm not gonna show you guys the process because there's a bunch of videos already showing how to do the wrinkle finish on the valve cover. So yeah, that's after I seal it, I'm gonna do the wrinkle finish, and I'm also gonna do the headlight restoration. And as you guys can see, it's actually shining really good. I don't know if you guys seen that video where you couldn't see no shine, it looked primered, but now this car looks amazing. Like, it looks really good. I actually ordered a lip, the SIR, or the SI, the Japanese SI lip, I think it's called the SI Integra, Honda Integra SI lip. But yeah guys, it's almost done. Pretty much a full restoration on the car. Well, not like a restoration, but bringing a car this old to look like this with OEM paint, yeah, I consider it somewhat of a restoration. It's a lot of freaking work. I literally been coming home after work, working on a panel or two at a time, because like I said, it was super bad. And honestly, the results keep me going, keep me motivated. So I'm like, I do one panel, like focus like the best I could on one panel, then I go to work and come home like motivated to do the next panel. And yeah, check it out, super clean. Like it's crazy how clean this car is. Can't wait till it's all done. Oh yeah, I still gotta do the video of the full build of the car. We'll get to that though. So clean. All right, so I just got off of work about 2 hours ago, and I did the first coat of ceramic. I'm gonna wait 24 hours and I'm gonna go over it again. This is the stuff I'm using, Extreme Platinum. Some eBay stuff, but it worked good on my GTR. So I just decided to do it on this car too. I mean, if it works, why not? It is made in the USA. You know, made in the USA. Should be good. Supposed to be good. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna wait 24 hours, like I said, and go ahead and do a second coat, and I might even do a third coat. I don't know. I think it should be good with just one more coat. But yeah, so tomorrow, hopefully I'm not off too late. Come home, change, and get to work. Looks really good. Really. All right, so I just got off of work, and I'm gonna give the car its first oil change using the VR1 1030 high zinc and the Mobile One oil filter. I also ordered a lip for it. I'm gonna put the lip on, and after that, I think I'm gonna do the valve cover. Got to get all this stuff off of it first, clean it up really good, then do the wrinkle black. Just found out I had a traction bar, and it also has coilovers. Pretty sick. This is probably the easiest headlight restoration I have ever did. Look at that. So much cleaner. Super clean. Still gotta clean the wheels. I plan on taking them off and polishing them up. Pretty much buffing them out. Same process I did with the car. But there it is, looking way, way cleaner. Like way cleaner. Such a clean car. Headlights are... I could go over them one more time maybe. But yeah, there it is. Just a stock GSR. Really clean car.